out window cleaners, be one step of your competition this year by removing Christmas paint. This is what I use, Zorbo 6-inch paint scraper. He has two on the market. This one here swivels side to side. Also, he has an angle scraper, so you can be able to get that perfect pressure on the glass, and it's perfect for pole work. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a demo right now, showing how well these can remove paint from glass. Okay, there's a few things that I want to point out before I start scraping the paint off the glass. This is Zorbo's Squeegee Glide. This is a friction reducer. It'll aid on scraping your glass. What it does, it puts an even amount of water on the glass. So this is very important here to use. Also, never scrape glass dry. You always want to use a soap solution to remove paint from the glass. And always scrape glass in one direction, never up and down like this, because there's a chance that you might scrape the glass. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you that demo right now. Okay, the first step I do is I get my soap solution here in a spray bottle. I don't like using my Zorbo washer sleeve, because what happens after a while, all the paint starts getting into the sleeve and it just makes a big mess. I always use it towards the end when most of the paint is removed. Okay, so this is what I use. Is this a normal spray bottle? So I just spray the paint, get it wet if I can. Okay, there we go. Okay, once I get that all wet, I just get the scraper and I just start scraping. I cut my hand over the razor so I can be able to catch all the paint scraping. Just like that, in the upward direction. Okay, so all the paint that I removed, I have just a shopping bag where I can just start discarding the paint scraping. Okay, all right, there you go. Zorbo's 6-inch paint scraper. I highly recommend it. Okay, take it easy.